The X-ray high-voltage cable for 500 mA X-ray machines are different from those used in ordinary high-voltage cables. The high-voltage cables used in X-ray machines are only 75 kV and 90 kV. A 500 mA X-ray machine uses two high-voltage cables, which can be used for 125 kV or 150 kV spherical tubes. The 500 X-ray machines belong to high-frequency digital X-ray machines and are generally equipped with 150 kV spherical tubes. Therefore, the high-voltage cables used in 500 X-ray machines are usually 90 kV and 150 kV spherical tubes. HV cable for 500 mA X-ray machine can also be used in various fixed X-ray machines, large and medium-sized X-ray machines. The length of HV cable for 500 mA X-ray machine will not affect the voltage itself. Customers can freely choose the length of high voltage cable according to their own needs.